This is the AI News Flash for May 11, 4 a.m. UTC. First up, SoftBank Group has officially announced plans to enter large-scale battery manufacturing for AI data centers, with Bloomberg reporting the details. Masayoshi Son's SoftBank is pursuing vertical integration into energy storage, recognizing that power bottlenecks have become the largest constraint on AI infrastructure expansion. The company will manufacture stationary large-scale batteries for AI data centers, enabling peak power response, renewable energy buffering, and grid-independent operation. The backdrop includes $725 billion in 2026 capex from 4 hyperscalers and IEA projections that AI data center power consumption will reach 1,100 terawatt-hours by 2030. SoftBank enters a competitive landscape with Form Energy Iron Air batteries, Tesla Megapacks, and KTL-backed players. This represents a key move consistent with SoftBank's $40 billion additional OpenAI investment, $500 billion single-campus Ohio AI data center plan, and Stargate Vision, drawing major attention from institutional investors as AI infrastructure full-stack vertical integration strategy. Second story. Mitsubishi Heavy Industries has officially announced the world's first successful in-orbit ship detection using AIRIS, an onboard AI-based object detector featuring a next-generation space-grade MPU. AIRIS is a satellite onboard AI inference system equipped with a next-generation microprocessing unit designed for space environment tolerance. It enables groundbreaking architecture where ship and ground object recognition occurs in real time on satellite orbits, transmitting only necessary data without ground downlink requirements. Conventional satellite image analysis transmitted large data volumes to ground stations before AI processing. AIRIS brings edge AI to orbit, achieving dramatic latency reduction, communication bandwidth savings, and real-time monitoring simultaneously. Applications include maritime surveillance, illegal fishing enforcement, disaster response, and military intelligence. This represents a critical milestone establishing Japan's unique position in space AI inference competition alongside NVIDIA Jetson Edge AI, Kepler Communications orbital GPU clusters, and SpaceX Starlink satellite AI deployments. Third story, Utah residents are staging large-scale protests against a major AI data center project backed by Shark Tank investor Kevin O'Leary. The planned data center, slated for construction on vast land in Beaver County, Utah, has prompted residents concerned about power demand, water resource consumption, environmental impact, and community effects to hold protest gatherings. YFF News 4 reported the details. O'Leary Ventures is advancing the Wonder Valley initiative to build multiple AI data centers across the U.S. Resident opposition is expanding nationally, following total bans by Andover Township in New Jersey, unanimous rejection by Matthews Town Council in North Carolina, and Maine's moratorium legislation. This symbolizes the situation where roughly half of AI data center construction projects are experiencing delays or cancellations despite hyperscalers' $725 billion capex. Regional acceptance of AI infrastructure expansion is emerging as a key 2026 midterm election issue. Fourth story. CNBC has reported in detail that the establishment of Chief AI Officer or CAIO positions is fundamentally transforming boardroom structure. The Chief AI Officer, an executive role overseeing AI governance, AI strategy formulation, and AI risk management, is rapidly proliferating among Fortune 500 companies. It is becoming established as a third C-suite position alongside Chief Information Officer and Chief Digital Officer. Gartner forecasts that 40% of enterprise applications will have AI agents embedded by end of 2027, and over 80% of major companies will establish CAIO positions during the 2030s. Importance is rapidly rising as a management function consolidating AI agent management, data privacy, regulatory compliance, and talent acquisition. As Microsoft Copilot, Salesforce Agentforce, ServiceNow AI Control Tower, and operations of hundreds of internal AI agents become commonplace. CAIO position creation is not merely a title change, but transforming board-level dialogue as a core theme of corporate governance reconstruction. Fifth story, the PAVE ETF, Global X U.S. Infrastructure Development ETF, has received a downgrade from a Seeking Alpha analyst, with reports citing AI play valuation concerns. PAVE is a popular ETF investing in U.S. infrastructure construction, machinery, power, and data center construction-related companies, riding the AI data center construction boom to substantial year-to-date gains. Latest analysis indicates current PE levels have significantly exceeded traditional industrial stock valuation multiples due to AI play transformation, reaching overvalued territory. Construction, power, HVAC, and energy storage companies benefiting from $725 billion capex by four hyperscalers are attracting market attention, but they have reached high valuation multiples comparable to NVIDIA, Broadcom, and Micron, prompting increased caution from institutional investors. Industrial stocks have outperformed as Goldman Sachs Halo trade beneficiaries and AI infrastructure Phase 2 recipients, but valuation multiple normalization risk is emerging as a major investment theme for the second half of 2026. That's all for this AI news flash.